So you're trying to change temperature on your LUXPro thermostat and you keep pushing these buttons but nothing is working. If you're facing this issue, I want to show you what you can do to resolve it, okay? So what you want to do is to check the display here. You want to check to see if you have a padlock icon here, and if you can find one here, it means your device is locked, okay? So these buttons are not going to work, so you cannot change your temperature with these buttons here, okay? So what you want to do is to unlock it, and then you can use these buttons to adjust your temperature, okay? So to unlock, the first step is to hit any button to make sure the screen is illuminated, okay? So hit any button, okay? Now you want to press next 3 times and then hit hold, okay? So let's go, next, hold, okay? So you can see the padlock icon is gone, and now you can change your temperature using these buttons, okay? So let's try it. Okay, so you can see it's changing, and if you want to set a fixed temperature, hit the hold button, okay? So as long as you can see hold on your screen, your thermostat is going to maintain this temperature indefinitely, okay? And if you want to get it off hold mode, hit the hold button, okay? So you can see hold is off the screen, okay? So that's how it works. That's how to troubleshoot your thermostat if it's not changing temperature. That's if the buttons are not working, okay? So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this, okay? See you in the next one.